How do you live off crypto? Hey everyone. Sorry if my question is too dumb and naive. I am trying to take a risky move in life and go where my passion lies: finance and investments. Planning to leave my full-time job with a good income and get full on into crypto. I have been in crypto since 2015 and have had some good runs and have done some trading also, but have never had a more or less stable income and have no idea how one can have income from it. If you could please share your experience and how you make a living from it. Nodes, staking, trading, airdrops. Any tips would be helpful while I am trying to navigate my next chapter. None of these will be treated as a financial advice, of course. Please also warning me of risks of crypto is not needed also. Thanks a lot in advance. Don't leave your job until you have 100 figured out how to make a stable income with crypto. Invest $15 million. When it drops to $2 million, cash out and live on it. That's what I did. I make nearly 10x my country's minimum wage by farming moons. I think if you're asking how to make a stable income through crypto, you shouldn't be doing it. Most people can't even make a stable income in the stock market. This is just a bad idea. If you are in crypto since 8 years and still have so basic questions, you should do it. Educate yourself, and when you think you know how to make an income, try it out small and get bigger. But keep your job. Having a stable job and just ECA is most of the times the best way. Edit typo. There's a lot of money to earn in crypto, but I won't quit my full-time job for it. Although very rewarding, it is a very risky endeavor. You mentioned trading. Please note that 90% of traders lose money. If you have to ask this, then surely you're not in a position to actually achieve this. Respectfully, you either need to make such bank from your investments, say in a bull run, that you can live off of the rewards, or you need to be a good day trader with futures leverage, same as with stocks or forex, etc. If you were already in one of them categories, I doubt you'd be asking this here. We'd all love to live off crypto, but those that do are very few and far between. It isn't a dumb or naive question. I think a lot of this depends on your current portfolio size and your outgoings. That plays a fairly big part in any advice folks could give you. Staking ETH via Rocket Pool is a decent enough idea, decentralized, fairly secure, etc. You can also stake USDC. Honestly though, we are in a bear ATM and the next halving isn't until April, so trading won't be as lucrative as it was back in the bull beginning of the bear, as there is less volatility. Nope. Never. Don't. You said it yourself. But have never had a more or less stable income and have no idea how one can have income from it. So why quit your job? Makes no sense, dude. We only live here on hopium of crypto. The only thing that makes us push forward. I don't. This is just a side hustle. Advice to you is the same. If the hustle earns you enough each month, you can try it. If you can't keep it up months in a row, don't try. It gives so much stress. My friend bought 2 bitcoins when it was $1,200. He's still working full-time with a great job, making $150K. Look at your crypto 5-10 years ahead. I live in my van and invest my whole paycheck into crypto. Still not making a living, but it will soon pay off. A better question would be, how do you live off ramen? Shit posting comment creating here got me 770 moons in the last 10 days. So it could be barely enough to survive. Living off crypto is for only big wins. You can't rely on it to pay for your monthly bills. You should only quit once you have a stable passive income. It's too much of a risk, especially if you have bills to pay. Don't invest all your money in cryptos. Use it as passive income because crypto market is too versatile and you might lose all your savings. Not worth the risk. Purchase some of the well-known coins and keep them in your wallet until price goes up. You're from 2015 and don't have a lot of crypto WFT. Who is from this time 2015 probably has a lot of Bitcoin and Ethereum. To make staking pool of liquidity. My focus is to buy early projects that have staking node. To have a passive gain. Start small, learn more, stay safe, avoid mistakes. By accompanying it with a normal job. I can't. I would need to make $4,000 a month to sustain my current lifestyle. Not even close currently. By being a multi-millionaire living off staking LMFAO. Get good at crypto gambling like I did and you can turn 1 BTC into 27. I pay myself ourselves on average $1,500 per week, $80,000 per year for capital gains reasons off of my crypto holdings. Playing the futures gap every weekend across 20 different cryptos. We retired in March of 2020 after I successfully proved that I can do it consistently. Now, if a spot Bitcoin ETF gets approved, I don't know that the futures gap will still be in play. IDK. 'Cause I'm straight hooked fishing. I'm not smart enough to do anything except DCA into good projects and hope for the best of luck if you go for it. In debt with no profits, of course. Love this shit. Hopefully we'll make some money soon. People like to farm alts. I would never leave my job, especially to go full throttle into trading. Keep your job, man, and use your free time for trading if you really feel to do it. But leaving your stable income for an unstable and unsecured income is always a bad idea. I try to earn enough moons to have a few extra $100 every month. I am going back to university in a few weeks, so I need all the money I can get. Moons have really been a godsend. My landlord recently increased my rent. I have a daughter about to start 7th grade. Moons help me make up for the rent increase and get all her supplies and some clothes. Eternally grateful for this opportunity. Pretty easy. You start with an inheritance of $2.03M. Lose half of it with altcoin gambling. You can now live with the remaining money for a couple of years. Safe moon to the moon, I guess. If you want to live off crypto, you either need a huge portfolio and extremely smart investments, or you need to get an actual job in crypto that pays you in crypto. The latter is many times more reliable than the former while still being risky. I mean, quit your job to go full-time crypto. What could go wrong? If you've been in since 2015, you should know it's not good to quit your job and go 100. I would diversify your portfolio to proven income, something passive, and then add crypto. Send me one then I'll send you two back. Keep earning from crypto but don't leave your stable job. Having more than one sources of income is better than just one. When you figure out how you can quit your job and live off crypto, let us know. Will have to become a scammer probably. Since 2015 and not already rich or completely broke. But worst of all, no idea how to navigate crypto. I mean, if you haven't learned in 8 years, you will never. Sorry. Besides earning from it, I think one of the other big things is how you treat your money. Not buying stuff out of boredom or stuff you don't need. Spending habits. Being a bit price conscious of things, etc. I don't. I will in about 5-10 years though. Farming moons, and as you can see, I am broke AF. Yeah, don't leave. Just spend more of your free time in crypto. When hobbies become jobs, they are no longer fun.